Welcome viewers. For today we'll be looking at an overview on an important accounting software application called Tally. So quickly, this is the Tally software. Okay, so talking about Tally ERP, don't forget it is an accounting software that is being packaged, and the purpose of this is for you to be able to use it to record the day-to-day business data of your company. I'll be very fast here. So there is the latest version of this software, which you can see Tally ERP 9 up there. So it is one of the best accounting software, and I can assure you that this is because it is integrated with other business applications. For example, functions more like sales, finance, purchasing, payroll, inventory. So the reason why I choose Tally is because Tally stores all the business transactions of each of your accounts in detail. It follows the double entry accounting system, so don't worry about that. And with this, it eliminates and rectifies possible errors. Trust me when I talk about this. So quickly on this overview, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So on this overview, I will be showing you the basic components here in Tally. So there are basic components in Tally which I will be taking you right now on, so you get to understand this application very well. So for the basic components, there are 7 basic components in Tally, and this is what I gave an acronym, big CCTH. So quickly, part of these 7 acronyms here in Tally, the B stands for the buttons toolbar. So the buttons toolbar is very important. It's over here. For now, there is nothing. On subsequent video uploads, you will get to understand that there will be a lot of information here. So the buttons toolbar is important because it displays the buttons that enables immediate interaction. Example, you want to check purchases, you can click here. Okay, but that's not for now because we have not created the company. So for the I in the big CCTH acronym, the I stands for the information panel. So the information panel is very important. The reason is because the information panel displays the Tally version, the license details, as well as the configuration settings of what you're doing right here in where Tally. So you can see most of the informations up here, the version and other important things. So we have the gateway of Tally, and now the gateway of Tally makes up the third acronym, which is G in big. So the gateway of Tally is important, and that's where that's the major start point of Tally. So the C is for what? The close button. So you can see the close button here. So by clicking on this close button, or by clicking on Ctrl M on your system, the windows will do what? We close. Okay, so we also have the tax bar. So the tax bar majorly displays the tax of Tally what? ERP. So the tax bar is also important. You can see it over here. What's the tax we are getting into now? Where are we? We are in company login. So it's displaying the tax here in what? Tally. So we also have the calculation area. You can see the calculation, which is over here. Okay, in case you want to do calculator, you just have to know how to use that very tool. Okay, so I said big CCTH. We also have that of the title bar. So the title bar is also another important one. Most majorly when you are working here with Tally, it displays the Tally software that you are using. If I should ask, what Tally software are we using now? You say Tally 9 because it's being displayed right here on the title bar. Ladies and gentlemen, these are basically the components of Tally. So I will be rounding up here. For the gateway of Tally, don't forget the acronym of the components is big CCTH, where B for the buttons bar, I for the information panel, G for gateway of Tally, and that of C for close button, the other C, which I have explained for the calculator area, the T for title bar. So this is the CTTH, and the last, which is the H, which stands for the horizontal button bar. Now, what does it do? It helps you to choose language, keyboard settings, support. You can see them upload, email, export. So all these are known as the horizontal buttons bar. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you quickly to the G, and let me mention that out of the big CCTH, the G is the most important because that's the key starting point when you're working with Tally, and that's known as the gateway of Tally. To access that, you have to close this existing company. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the gateway of Tally, and this is right where we'll start. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos coming your way on this very series. I am Williams, and I remain your lead instructor. Thank you. See you next time.